at your screen and welcome back to my channel. And oh my freaking god, I am beyond excited for today's video, honestly guys, because today I'll be doing one of those OG type of videos. It's something I really love watching on YouTube, and that is a what's in my purse video. And I'm so glad that it's kind of making a comeback on YouTube, and especially our Indian YouTubers are doing it. I saw quite a few of them recently upload a what's in my purse type of a video. Like I know Hsieh did it, even that Boho girl did it, so I was like, wow, that's so great. And I thought, I know what, I shouldn't miss that trail and I should be a part of it too. So today here I am to share with you guys what is in my purse video. I hope you guys are excited. I actually got this recently off of Romwe, so I'm gonna definitely give you a quick review about the shipping and how was the service and how is the purse. I'm gonna give you a quick review and overview about my experience with Romwe, so it's gonna be a really informative and interesting video at the same time, so stay tuned. And yeah, if you're interested to watch what is in my purse video, then please keep on watching. Let's go. Alright, so starting off with the size of this bag, look at how cute this is. I really love the print on here. That is what the bag looks like. Let's see what is in my bag. So this is how the zip looks like. It's got a really cool long gold detailing zip, and once you open the bag, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, nothing is moving here and there because of the structure of the bag, which I love. Like, I love structured bags, and I still have room for so much more. Now also, this is something I don't use every single day, because every single day mostly I have my college backpack with me. But on days when I'm like going for shopping or lunch or brunch with my girlfriends and all that cool fun stuff, then definitely I do carry this. Alright, so the first thing I have is something basic AF. So I have this really cute pom-pom, and these are my basic house keys, and there's nothing fancy going on. I just have one keychain. I'm not a big fan of having like a gazillion different keychains around a keychain. Like, that's not my thing. It gets really clumsy, it gets very noisy, and it occupies a lot of space. So I think this is more than enough, and I actually got it for really dirt cheap. I think I got it for like 90 rupees or something from Club Factory actually, and I did a detailed haul about that shopping and the experience and everything. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave it somewhere here so you can have a look at it. Alright, so the next thing I have is a sanitizer. Now this is some random company sanitizer that I have. To be very honest, I'm not a germophobic or something. I'm really cool with germs. And with that being said, like I think this is the most ignorant or least used product honestly in my purse, because I just use this on days when I feel really grossed out by something or I'm acting too fancy. It's only under those two circumstances I use this product, and that is why, you know, there's still quite a lot left in there. So yeah, that is my sanitizer. The next thing I have is my card holder. This is how it looks like, and I really like having a separate card holder, because I've broken quite a lot of actually debit cards. Like, yeah, you can break debit cards. I really didn't know that until one fine day I was that done shopping and I go to the bill counter and I'm like, damn! I kid you not, my debit card was into 2 pieces. I think I might as well have it in some purse. If I can find it, I'll put a clip right here. But it was the most craziest and the most horrifying thing ever. So after that incidences, I've learned my lesson, and I carry a separate card holder because I need this stuff, okay? I just have my basic everyday cards. So I have 2 debit cards and this Indian Railway Smart Card. Now, no offense, but I am absolutely not a big fan of trains. Like, I just cannot. Something I use very rarely, or you know, when my friends convince me that, Reena, this is it, this is how you're gonna make it to the other end of the planet, is when I prefer going by train. Otherwise, train is a big no for me. Moving on to the next thing that I have in my bag, which is like literally neon pink, and this is the only neon stuff that I have, is actually my wallet. And I'm actually over the phase of having those really big wallets, 3 folding, 2 folding, no folding, zip. I'm just done with those, and honestly they occupy way too much space in the bag. And another benefit to this, apart from the size, is the fact that it is so neon on your face that if you ever manage to forget this stuff, people are going to call your bag and tell you, this is your ish, take it away, it's hurting my eye, okay? The inside of the bag is like so dark and brown. Finding my purse becomes really easy, because you know, everything is black almost, and then there's suddenly pop of neon pink on my face, and I'm like, oh, that's my purse. This stuff can literally fit in my cell phone, my keys, money, coins, cards. I kid you not, I've done that, and this really is a magical stuff. It's like the Mary Poppins bag. Yeah, I'm in love with this stuff. Moving on to the next thing that I have in the bag is another card holder. Now what's special about this is that this is all of my shopping cards, and I really like to keep it separate from my essential cards, because then there are like too many cards and I get confused and overwhelmed and nervous and I just mess things up and I don't like it. So I really like to keep it separate, so on days when my mom is going for shopping and I'm not accompanying her, she can just take it and like, you know, use whatever card she wants to. So, you know, it becomes really easy to even share it along with family and everything. Then the next thing I have in my bag is my cell phone. This is the iPhone 5S. Yeah, I know I'm like still in 2013 or something, I don't know, but I really like this phone, okay, because of how tiny this is. Like, I am done with those big phones and I have these really tiny petite hands, okay, and it becomes really a task to use big phones, and I really liked iPhone for the size, and now they're just like expanding their size on another level, and I'm just like, girl, stop right there, because that's all my hands can take. And actually that's why my phone can fit in. Obviously if you have a bigger phone it won't. In terms of the cover of my phone, I think this is going to be the most disappointing point in this video. So are you ready for it? Okay, let's go. Honestly, I really like it this way. I really like my phone covers to be sophisticated and just sophisticated. Like, I really cannot handle having pumpkins and donuts and unicorns around my phone. Like, it just disturbs me, like, for some reason. So I really like this basic cover. Moving on to the next thing that I have in my purse, and that is, I think, more makeup-y related than my essentials, because this is literally like my essentials. So the first thing I have is my Maybelline Compact. This is the white super fresh compact. I really like this stuff. Now again, I'm not a touch-up person to begin with, but on days when I'm like really sweaty or something, I have a compact to do touch-up. At the same time, there's a mirror, so you know, I don't really have to carry a separate mirror. And yeah, this is in the shade Shell, if you're wondering, and I really like it. Okay, it's like my third or fourth one actually, and I've already hit pan. So that's my love for this. Then moving on to the next stuff that I have is actually a powder brush, because I am not a big fan of using those puffs that it comes along with. And the only reason I have it in here is because I don't want to ruin the mirror, because otherwise it just gets messy. Moving on to the next stuff that I have in my bag is a hand cream. Now this is the Body Shop Shea Butter Hand Cream. I really love this. Again, hand cream is something very subjective. On days when I feel really grossed with my hand, or if I feel my hands are like out of the world, ultra dry, is only when I use this. Or on days when I find it, I use it. You know, it's again not something very essential to me and like, oh my gosh, I just cannot deal with dry hands. No. It has a very delicate scent to it, which I love, and as you can see, I've used quite a lot of it, so yeah, I really like this. So if you're looking for a good hand cream, I think Body Shop has a good one. Then the next thing is actually food, which is very rare. This is dark fantasy that I don't know how was left in my bag. The only thing that is left in my bag are some lip products. So this is a lip balm. This is not an EOS lip balm, but this is the Blue Heaven lip balm. I'm not a big fan of it as a lip balm, but as a lip balm, this works really beautiful underneath lipsticks, and that is why I always have this in my backpacks and purses when I've applied lipstick, which is almost every single day. So that is why this is kind of like my backpack slash makeup bag essential, because I really like how this feels underneath lipstick. And this is in the variant Bubblegum. So the first lipstick that I have is by Colourpop, and this is exactly the lipstick that I'm wearing currently on my lips. This is in the shade Love Bug, by the way. Moving on to another lipstick, which is by Miss Claire, and this is in the shade Soft Brown 09. That is how the shade looks like. I really love it. And the last thing that I have is actually a lip pencil cum lipstick, which I mean is a lip pencil, but I like to use it like a lipstick, which is something I recently used in my farewell get ready video. If you haven't checked that video already, link is over here, my friend. This is how it looks like. Packaging is yeah, but the shade is so beautiful that I still take the risk of having this in my bag. Yeah, that's pretty much it in my bag. There's nothing more to it, and that is all that I had in my purse. Now starting off with the price of this bag was priced at rupees 447. In terms of the quality is not the best. Like, even this is a structured bag. Like, do you see I'm able to like fold it and everything? Like, can you see the thread or the stitching of the bag is already started to wear off, but I am really not impressed with the bag quality. So looking at the current condition of the bag, you have to be really careful, and it's kind of one of those delicate bags. bags and one of those flimsy bags, which I don't expect from Romwe. Like, if this was the case with Club Factory, I would have totally been absolutely not shocked. Then I get it, like, you know, because I'm paying that kind of a money, so I know it's going to be cheap. But you know, with Romwe and Hsieh, wherein they are known for their fashion and everything, to get a bag from them like this is really disappointing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this review come what's in my purse type of situation. If you did, then you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get updated every time I'm online. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.